Hey Kirsten. I am finished with my Capstone project. I'm showing you off right now. We'll start here. I'm on my portfolio and I created a little cover image for it and everything, so we'll get started. Because I only have 3 to 5 minutes to do this. So start off here with the canvas, obviously. I kind of go into my intro here, talk about what Canvas is and what the project is aiming to do, as well as I'll just go through this really quick, the whole pro portfolio page here. So we start with personas, go down through the journey map, and then you can always view these when I send you the link as well. The information architecture, user flow. I have my sketches in here as well as the first iterations of low fidelity mockups and then the second iterations of the low fidelity mockups right here. Then I kind of go into what Canvas originally is or the existing design as it is currently, as I feel like it'd be a good way to kind of reference what it currently is compared to what I've changed in the redesign. Then I go into the design system that I created for this whole project, as well as go into the final design. So here I kind of did like a what I was kind of aiming for the redesign. I kind of talk about that there, and then I actually go into the pages that I made. So I start with the dashboard pages, and I talk about the edits that I made for that, as well as course home and the accompanying modules that go with that, as well as the course page into assignments, calendar, the inbox, as well as the mobile screens here, just to kind of give a sense of what it might be like on mobile as well. And then I actually included the Canvas prototype at the bottom as well, but you can kind of see and click that around here. But we're going to actually go do that in the Figma file itself. So we'll explore that here. So this is the homepage of my redesign here. I basically make some of the main changes where that you can edit your own background. Everything is more modular and users can customize what they want to put in these modules, as well as everything is a little bit more spaced out so it feels more breathable when you're actually on the Canvas page. So we'll start by we'll go to a course. So we'll go to rapid prototyping, and this is what like a normal course page would look like. You have your home segment here, which the professor or instructor is able to customize themselves, as well as modules over here, which the user is actually able to change themselves. If they'd rather have recent feedback at the top, they can put that there. Let's go to assignments. This is another part that I changed here. And you can see here that submission has changed as well. And for example, if you want to submit your paper, submit that there. Boom, successfully submitted. Great. We can check out what it's like here. Let's go to groups and courses actually have their own pop-up menu here. They're not clickable quite yet, but that's what that is. And then we can go back to our dashboard. And again, you can click on groups or you could click on courses and see these are the two that are actually have an L2 menu that pop up with once you hover or once you click on it. But we can go to calendar for now. Calendar is pretty similar to the existing Canvas. They made a couple of changes and features that differ. For example, time slots are not able to extend into a block to block out a whole time of the day, as well as they're able to extend into multiple days to kind of show that this event is occurring over maybe a week, for example. So that's new with the calendar, as well as the inbox here is completely revamped to be a whole new system rather than an emailing feature. It's more of a instant messaging feature, pretty similar to like how Discord or Slack or even just messaging on your phone. It's more related to that rather than typing in a subject and sending the whole meal to the class. For example, this professor right here sent a whole message to the English class, right? But you can also individually message people, like Salvador here, for example. This is what example might look like of what it's like to message an individual. So that's basically main parts of my redesign here. You can go into each different course and check that out. The L1 menu is working with L2 menu, just as an example that shows here. But that's basically what I have for my redesign. I hope you like it. And again, you can go back and view the whole process through here, as well as design system. That's all flushed out. But yeah, that's my project. Hope you enjoy.